everybody, how you doing? I'm here with a haul. And it's a small haul, and I got this right before the new year. So this is my last haul of 2022, although I'm showing it to you in 2023. Okay, first up, I hope you all had a wonderful holiday and a wonderful New Year's and Christmas. And so now we're starting a new year. So that's something to look forward to. So the first thing I got was this Market Fresh flowers. And it's on wood, but this part is like homemade paper, which is really cool. I don't know if you can tell. And it says Market Fresh flowers, tulips, daffodils, peonies, open weekends. And what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to check this frame. I'm not going to leave it like this. I think I'm going to check it. Mackenzie Child. So I got that. And then, I hope you can see this. I'll bring you down after. Then last year, for Valentine's. Now, Valentine's now is 40% off. At the time, it wasn't. But I didn't want to take the chance because last year I thought, oh, I'll get it, just like I thought what I just told you, and sure enough, they weren't there. But they have two signs, and one is the Valentine pancake, and it gives you a recipe for pancakes. And they have another one that's pink, and it's for cupcakes. And you're hearing Angie in the background. Go lay down, Angie. And so I wanted to get this for my kitchen. And I'm not going to do a lot of decorating for Valentine's this year. I am going to decorate, but not, like I have in the past. I'm going to concentrate more on Easter. Then at Christmas time, I got two of these. They're supposed to be gumball. I got one in black and one in white. And I'm looking around. I don't know what I did with my white one. I don't know. Anyway, but the other one's just like this. Hold on. Got that. Then I got some of these straws. I thought these were cute with the little hearts, the red and white. Because what I'll decorate with is black and red and white. Then I got this banner. Isn't this cute? And I'm going to paint these also. I'm going to, I think, come around here and check it. And then, I don't know exactly, but it'll be Mackenzie Child of some sort. But it says, too cute, and they're all put together. Now, you can take these apart if you don't want to leave them as, a garland. Kiss Me, You Rock, Be Mine, Crazy You, and Hug Me. Now, you could do the back of them all different colors and just have, write your own conversation piece on these. You can also take them apart and just put them like on your fireplace, different angles. I don't know yet how I'm going to do it, but you'll be with me when I do. So I thought that was cute. Then they had this. This is what I'm going for, the black and white with the red. And it says, You Are So Loved. I thought that was cute. Then they had these little wood conversation hearts. But you get 45 of them, and they were only $1.99, and they're already painted. I thought those were really cute. And you can put those on a frame, or you can put them on fake bakes. But I really thought those were really, really cute. I don't care too much for the orange. I'm probably going to repaint that. But yeah, I don't really care for the orange too much. But those. And then this one, and I didn't see any more. when I was putting them up, and it's Cupid's Bakery, Cupcake Sweets Cookies, 1814. But I thought that was cute as well, although it's not the exact color I want, it's not a big deal. But I went ahead and got that. Then as far as flowers, because I'm putting these flowers in my kitchen and on my fireplace, again, I only buy these when they're on sale, and they were 50% off. And I got some white hydrangeas. I have a few, but I had to add a little bit more because I'll keep these up through the holidays. Well, I mean, not just the holidays, you know, now until spring and maybe even summer. I don't know. I might just keep these colors going. Then I got, and I love these, I got these black roses. And for the Mackenzie child, I thought these would be really cool. They'd also be cool for Halloween, but these black roses, look how they have the leaves with the thorn. I thought these were really cool. And with the black and white, see where I'm going? So it'll lend itself really nice for Valentine's, but it'll also be nice other parts of the year as well. So I got 2 of those. Okay, so I got that. And then in my living room, for a vase, I got these. Aren't those pretty? It's a spring, I can't remember what they called these, a spring stem, but it's got all different kinds of pretty flowers. And I got 2 of those, and then I'll just fill it with some greenery, but this will be enough of a pop that I thought these would be really pretty in the living room. And then the last thing, and I have a couple of these somewhere else, and I've made some of these, and I've shown you in videos before how to make these. These little Valentines, these retro, and it's just on some thin wood with an easel. But I've shown you how to make these yourself. And this is Tune In Valentine, I'm broadcasting our song, Be Mine. I thought that was so cute. And then the other one is, I'm waiting for your answer, Valentine, with the little doll. Isn't that cute? So I got those 2. Those would be nice for a tiered tray. Not sure if that's where I'm going to put them or put them in my kitchen. I don't know. But you'll see when I have it decorated. I'll show you. So anyway, I'll bring you down in just a minute so you can see these closer. Ever forget that. There's only one you, and you bring something to this world nobody else can. I'll talk to you soon. Be waiting for some DIYs. Bye, guys.